if you've brought in your slide deck, but it's maybe just your basic slide and there's no interactive part to this, so what you can actually do is you can add in an informative slide, but the part that I really like is the interactive part. So I'm going to enter an open-ended question, so you can type in what your question is. Oops. We all love live as well, because when it does this, then you think, oh, what's going to go wrong? So what is ethics? And then I forget to spell. What is ethics in education? Say in relation to Gen AI. And then what that will do is it's an open-ended question. So when the students see that, they'll be able to then put the likes of the words into that, and they'll be able to submit, and they can scan the QR code in their phone and have access to it, and they can populate that with their words. So it's a great feature in getting them interactive to think where they are at the start of the lesson, and then maybe putting another one in at the end of the lesson to see where they are in terms of their review.